to SeaWorld.
Oh, how are you getting there?
First I have to pay money,
Uh-huh.
and then open the door, and then start the car, and open the car, and start the car, and then I'll get to SeaWorld, and then pay money.
And go inside?
Uh-huh.
How are you going to do all that if you don't know how to drive?
First I have to get a little car.
Oh, you're going to get a little car?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Let's go together, okay?
But Mommy's not going. I told you I'm not going, so I just don't understand how you're going to go.
Let's go together, okay?
Bye. See you later.
The door is closed,
Oh, is it? Well, I told you have to figure out how to open it yourself.
but the locks are stuck.
The locks are stuck?
Mm-hmm. I will show you.
Oh, I'm not going though. Come here, Peyton.
Look, the locks are
Peyton, are you going to be able to go to SeaWorld without Mommy and Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
You can't wait until maybe your birthday or something?
Mm-hmm. I'm buying my birthday present on Tuesday.
Oh, on Tuesday?
Mhm.
Okay.